Nobara Linux versus Bazzite. Which gaming Linux distro is better? So for Linux gamers, both Nobara Linux and Bazzite offer a hassle-free experience without needing to manually tweak drivers and wind settings. They're both based on Fedora, but their philosophies differ. Nobara gives you a fully loaded gaming desktop ready to tweak and control, while Bazzite acts more like a plug-and-play gaming appliance with rollback safety. Now let's compare them head to head. So Nobara aims to be a ready-to-play Fedora with all the extra drivers, codecs, and gaming tools pre-installed. It includes common fixes for Proton 1, streaming tools like OBS, and GPU drivers out of the box. It feels like a regular Linux desktop, easy to customize, install extra apps, or tinker with settings. Ideal for gamers who want convenience without giving up full control. Bazzite is designed to be an immutable, low-maintenance gaming OS. It comes with Steam pre-installed, supports HDR, VRR controllers, and integrates launchers like Lutris and RetroArch without much configuration. Updates are atomic, meaning if something breaks, you can roll back instantly. It's built for people who just want to install, log in, and play without worrying about system maintenance. Now, a quick summary. So Nobara Linux gives you a normal desktop experience, fully loaded with gaming tweaks, but still open for customization. Bazzite behaves more like a console operating system, safer, cleaner, but less flexible. If you like tweaking, modding, or installing lots of extra software, choose Nobara. If you want a zero maintenance, just play experience, go with Bazzite. Both deliver excellent gaming performance. Your choice depends on how much you want to control. Now choose Nobara Linux if you want a powerful and flexibility with everything pre-configured for gaming, or go with Bazzite if you want a reliable, low maintenance, rollback safe system that focuses on pure playability.